Alright, everybody, today we are driving in a snowstorm. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is a complete whiteout. Trying my best to take care and drive safely, but you really shouldn't drive out and stuff like this, should we, Mommy?
No.
Are you scared, Ryan? It's fun. Ryan says it's fun. I don't think this is fun. I think this is dangerous. But this is New York weather. This is what happens when you live in New York State. Man, it is bad out here. Woo! Can't see anything. Can you see anything, Mommy?
Kind of.
These people got their freaking blinkers on. They're four-ways, yeah. They're emergency lights. It's not that bad. Maybe it is. I don't know. Do you want to build a snowman? Probably not, right? Come on, people. Really get out of there, driver. So this is what we have to deal with almost every day in the winter, right? Hasn't been too bad of a winter. Literally 2 degrees outside.
Wind chill like 16, minus 16.
Minus 16 degree wind chill. There's a snowplow doing its job. That's a big old snowplow too. Bye, snowplow. See you later. Just so everyone knows, I am not holding the video camera, so I'm driving safely. Okay? As safe as I possibly can. I would advise no one to ever try and take a video while you're driving, especially while you're driving in this. I hate when people take forever to park. Yes. So today is February 3rd, 2023. And the groundhog supposedly saw 6 more weeks of winter because he saw his shadow, but Dunkirk Dave in Dunkirk, New York, he's another groundhog. He's saying 6 weeks less of winter. So he's saying spring is going to come early. But this is the first, like, real significant snowfall. Look at this crap. Holy shoot. Like, this is where all the snow's coming from, all these fields and whatnot. Then you gotta deal with drifting snow. One thing I don't see out here are snowmobilers. And one reason why is because it's 2 degrees. Take a brave man to come out here snowmobiling at 2 degrees outside. And the wind chill factor is actually negative 16. So that gives you an idea how bad it is out here. It's pretty bad. But I'm a great driver and I haven't been in an accident yet in over 15 years. So. Ugh. I have a joke though for everybody on YouTube. Why don't Eskimos have a lot of kids? Because it takes a brave man to pull his pants down at 60 below. That's not really a kid-friendly joke, but I have another one. What are elves' favorite cars to drive? Toyotas. Alrighty. I just thought that was funny. That car was real close. It has a joke for everybody.
What do elves learn in the North Pole?
What do elves learn in the North Pole? How to make candy canes? Holy cow. The alphabet. Oh, the alphabet. Fake laugh. That was awesome. That was a great joke. We're almost home. I really don't recommend driving out in this stuff. I don't know. As much as I love New York in the winter, I hate New York in the winter. It's a love-hate relationship. Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and jump out and freeze. Right? Sure. Look at this hot mess coming into Sodus. Sodus, New York, where no one's ever heard of. Hey, if we're getting a crash, at least you can document it. Holy cow. Wow. That was some strong gusting winds. So what do you like the most about winter ride?
I don't know. Probably
Building snowmen? Well, unfortunately, in this type of weather, we can't do much because it's hypothermia weather, and you'll get.
The bad thing is it's soft.
Yeah, it's very soft snow, soft powdery snow. So it's good for like snowmobiling and snowboarding and skiing, but it's not good for making snowballs or anything else. Snowmen. We like to get the lake effect snow where it's nice and heavy and wet, although it is a pain in the butt to shovel. Oh, more crap. More snow coming. Turn my brights off so this car won't be blinded. Woo. I haven't seen a single snowplow besides the one last, a couple minutes ago. It's all winter outside. Nothing but fields of nothing. In the summertime, these fields are full of potatoes and soybeans and all that, but in the winter, the farmers get the day off. We're about to go through a huge gust right here. Gust. I feel like I'm in the middle of the road too. Really hitting it right now. We're passing by a lot of these fields with gusting winds. It's nothing but open plains. So you never want to drive through a snowstorm, but if you do, take your time. Make sure you always have a shovel with you just in case. Some blankets in the car. Lots of fuel for your car so you get stuck somewhere. Alright, we're almost home. I know I've said that like 10 times. We're driving through a snowstorm and it's getting really dark and I can't see anything in front of me. Oh, what's that? A shark. And that was a sheriff. Even the cops can't see. I have my brights on though, so other people will be able to see me through this mess. Oh my goodness. You seeing this?
Yeah.
I mean, obviously. This is scary. Good thing it's 45 miles coming into town because I don't think you should go more than 30 on this. Look at some of these houses, you can't even see. That's how crazy this is. We're about to go past Ryan's school in a minute. I wish I could drive faster because this drive is taking forever, but yeah, the town hasn't even come through yet. They came through like once before school ended, and that was about it. So this is, we're coming up on Ryan's school. There it is. Holy cow. I can't see anything. Someone's working late today. This is so crazy. I don't think I've ever been through something like this in Sodas. We lived here for about 4 or 5 years, and I've never seen anything this bad. Look at the bank. It's crazy. Now we're in the village. And it's a little bit better because there's no like big farms and things like that in your way. You know, they're blowing snow. But it's pretty pointless to shovel your driveway because as soon as you shovel or snowplow your driveway, it's going to come right back on you. That's the most annoying thing. On top of that, it's all powdery too. Alright. Let's see how I take this corner. Sometimes when I turn, I start skidding out a little bit. Wow, look at all that near Family Dollar. And there's no one out today. It's a Friday night and this town is dead. Dead. Almost. Gotta go down a couple more. Uh-oh. Skidding out a little bit. We're okay. Sometimes. That was too slow. Looks someone's actually walking.
They're cold.
You gotta be desperate to be out walking in this stuff. Alright. For like the 10th time, we're almost home. It seems like it's either really early in the morning or really late at night, but it's only 5. It's 5:30 in the evening. But it looks the same at 5:30 in the morning. Actually, the morning time looks a little darker. Shoot. Alright, here we go. Whee! I didn't even shovel my driveway because what's the point? There's no point shoveling it right now. Oh, crap. Whoa! That was a bit crazy.
That was fun.
We're home. Ryan thinks that was fun. I almost crashed into this dang tree, but... And we're home. This has been a segment of driving in a snowstorm.
And I have to go pee.
Ryan has to pee. Alright, bye.